Hi there, it's Nancy Knight. I'm here today with an active learning attribute tray activity about sound. The science of sound is called acoustics, and items make sound in lots of different ways. If you have some musical instruments at home to explore, that's great and it's lots of fun. But even if you don't, we can still explore sound using items that we find at home. So I have filled my attribute tray with items from around my house. I'm going to grab the tray. And you can see it's a tray full of ordinary items. And we're going to take a look and listen one by one and see how these items make sound. The first item in my tray is an ordinary water bottle that I've filled with popcorn. It's a shaker. And it also makes a great sound when I squeeze it. That crackly plastic sound. Well, I took some of that same popcorn and I put it in an empty tea canister, which is metal. It makes a different sound. Let's compare. Our two shakers. Next, I found an old oatmeal container. This makes a really fun impromptu drum. Well, if I want to have a drumstick, I can find more things in my kitchen. I've got a spoon. Instant drum. Well, I found some more interesting things in my kitchen. I found a set of kitchen tongs that I use for cooking. These are metal. And when I squeeze them, they make a wonderful tapping sound. I've got another set of tongs that are made of wood that are for salad. And when I squeeze these together, they also make a tapping sound, but it's different. Let's listen to both. My tongs. Another interesting item from my drawer is the tea strainer or tea ball. It opens and closes, and when it closes, listen, it makes a tapping sound. Squeezing that open and closed makes a sound. Well, I found in that same cooking drawer some metal spoons. When I shake the spoons, they tap together and it sounds almost like jingle bells. Well, I continued looking in my house to see what I could find. I found a toothbrush, and if I take the toothbrush top off and I turn it on, it's going to make a kind of humming, buzzing sound. There it is. Makes a kind of vibrating, humming, buzzing sound. The toothbrush. Well, I found a little box and a couple of rubber bands, and I made an instrument that makes sound similar to the way a guitar makes sound. It's my little box guitar. And I made another instrument with a box. I found an old shoebox and I attached some Velcro. This one took a little building, but it's super fun. I found about a foot of sticky Velcro, and I put a ribbon on it so that it wouldn't be sticky on the outside. I stuck it to the box. I wrapped it around some old key rings, and now take a listen. That Velcro sound is great, and the box amplifies the vibrations. That's a really, really cool sound, the Velcro box. Well, I hope this has given you some ideas about items that you can find around your house, like My Ordinary Items, that you can use to explore acoustics and the science of sound and the way different items make sound. Bye. See you next time.